Hello everyone. Today is a buffalo recipe, and what you're seeing here is me preparing some buffalo, cutting it into some edible cubes, after which I'm going to pre-boil this in a pressure cooker. This pressure cooker contains some turmeric, vinegar, some fresh chili, bay leaves, some salt and black pepper, and water, of course, which I'm going to cover and let it boil for about 40 minutes or so. After which, you're seeing I started preparing some tomatoes, which I'm going to blend into a puree. This will be followed by preparing onions for the stew that I'm about to make. Set aside. Cut some carrots as well. Set aside. I'm going to follow this with capsicum as well. Don't also forget to clean all the vegetables. Kickstart your cooking by adding some cooking oil. After which I'm going to add these onions you're seeing. After a couple of minutes, I'm going to give it a good mix. I've added in my curry powder and some cumin powder. I also added my vegetables, that ginger garlic paste that I've just added, followed by some tomato paste, little water, tomato puree that I had previously blended. Now I'm checking on my buffalo after the 40 minutes or so are done. It's nice and soft. I've added it to the stew that I had previously prepared. Added some seasoning salt. Here on the pan, I'm adding some mustard, cumin, and some curry leaves, which I'm going to add on top of the stew. It brings out that nice mustard and cumin curry leaves aroma. It brings out some very nice aroma to the dish. And we're going to finish off with some cilantro. You guys do try out this recipe, and also don't forget to like, subscribe to this platform, and help me build and grow the channel. Thank you guys.